Hey y'all, Vampyre Drakul back again with another how-to video. Are you tired of Adobe Reader automatically updating on you? Well, during the last Adobe update that cleared all my personal settings back to default, I sure was. You would think Adobe would include a simple option for this in the apps menu system, but it's not there. The option to disable automatic updates was removed sometime in 2019 from what I have researched. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Adobe Reader from automatically updating. Let's get started. Now, here we are in our Windows 11 VirtualBox virtual machine that we built in a previous video. Link to the video is below in the description if you want to know how to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox. So check that out. But to stop the automatic updates in Adobe, the first thing we need to do is click on Start and click on or type in Reg Edit and click Enter. We want to open up the Registry editor. Now, if you have UAC enabled, you have to click Yes on that. And then here we are in the Registry. Now, I'm going to navigate to a key. I will put the key copy and pasted down in the description below so you can reference that if need be. But basically, we're going to go into H key local machine, software. We go down to WoW 6432 node. We click on Adobe, open that up, and then I might have to expand this so you can see it. And then Adobe ARM, so click on that, get that expanded. Then we go down to Legacy, we open that up. And then Acrobat should be down in here. We open that up. Now, you should see another key with random letters. It might not be exactly what's showing on screen, but this is the key we want to be going into. So if you click on that, and you will see mode as one of the Reg D words. This is the setting we need to modify. Let me expand this for you all here so you can see it. But yeah, it should look similar to this. Like I said, these numbers shouldn't be exactly the same. They're probably different, but just click on that. You'll see mode, and currently mode's on 3. What we're going to do is double click mode, and I'm going to personally change this volume from 3 to 4 and hit OK. Now, as you can see, these are the options you can use on this mode. 0, if you put 0 in that D word, it will do not download or install updates automatically. So you'll get nothing. If you want no notification at all, pick 0. 2, automatically download updates, but let the user choose when to install them. So if you wanted to check and download, but then prompt you to install them, choose number 2. 3 is the default option, which automatically download and installs updates. So that's what's currently happening, is it'll just update whenever it feels the need to. And if there's a major version upgrade or something like that, your settings could get cleared, which was what led me to discover this in the first place. So number 4, notify the user downloads are available, but do not download them. So you could pick 4 if you want to be basically notified that the download's available, but it's not even going to download them. It's just going to sit there. So for this, I like 4. Just notify me that there's a download available, and I will choose what I want to do with the download and update when I feel like it. So now that we're finished this registry edit, click File, click Exit, and then what you want to do is reboot your system so this change can apply. And that's it. That's all you have to do to stop Adobe from automatically updating. It's just this one registry setting. So let me know in the comments section below how this worked out for you. If you found value in this video, I'd appreciate if you would subscribe to Vampyre Drakul. If you liked the video, smash the like button. And most importantly, ding that bell to get notifications when I upload new content. Till next time, keep it real.